23, graph the inequality. X plus 8y is greater than 16. This is a standard form type of equation. If you're going to come up with the boundary line, you need to pretend like this is an equals. And since we have the variables on the same side and a constant term here, it's a good candidate to find your intercepts, especially since the coefficients of 1 and 8 both multiply nicely into 16. So let's start out. Let's find our x-intercept. To do that, make y 0. So our x-intercept ends up being 16. Creates a little issue here because this graph is going by ones. So I'm going to have to revamp my graph a little bit. Instead of going by ones, I'm going to go by twos. So I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, there's 10, 12, there's 14, 16, 18. My x-intercept was 16. Now I want my y-intercept, so I make x 0. 8 times 2 is 16, so my y-intercept is 2. And then I just play connect the dots. The inequality symbol, since it's just greater than and it cannot be equal to, we would use a dashed line to symbolize that. And then we test a point to determine where to shade. So let's try 0, 0. Is 0 plus 8 times 0? Is 0 plus 0, which is 0, is that bigger than 16? No. Since 0, 0 doesn't work, we're going to go ahead and shade the other side of the inequality symbol, or the inequality boundary line. I suppose I should technically extend that way out there. Any point in the red region will make that original inequality true.